In the heart of Rabat, where the aroma of history intertwines with the charm of the present, life thrives uniquely within the ancient alleys and walls. In corners known only to souls eager to explore hidden beauty, the secrets of the old city unfold. Let us take you on a journey to one of the most remarkable places that embody the fragrance of the past and the spirit of authenticity, to the Old Medina of Rabat. The Old Medina of Rabat is a living embodiment of Moroccan authenticity, a historic tableau brimming with life. Its narrow streets weave together in an enchanting scene that transports you to the past, with every corner holding a story infused with the scent of history. On either side of these alleys, small shops showcase traditional crafts and local products, exuding an unforgettable heritage aroma. This destination is not merely a tourist landmark, but an emotional experience that immerses you in a different world, filled with Moroccan hospitality and the simplicity of life. If you're seeking a place that balances heritage and natural beauty, the Old Medina of Rabat is an unmissable destination. As for the Kasbah of the Udayas, it is a radiant gem that reflects the grandeur and authenticity of Moroccan heritage. Perched majestically on a hill overlooking the Bou Regreg River and the Atlantic Ocean, it stands as a guardian of history. Wandering through its alleys, you'll encounter vividly colored houses, Andalusian gardens fragrant with flowers, and serene corners imbued with tranquility. The beauty of this fortress lies not only in its stunning views, but in its extraordinary harmony between historic serenity and the vibrancy of modern life. The architecture of the houses showcases a harmonious blend of Andalusian and Moroccan styles, defined by narrow, winding streets, whitewashed walls, and intricately crafted wooden doors. Inside, many homes feature traditional riads with tranquil central courtyards, exquisite zellige tilework, and finely carved plaster details, exuding a timeless and elegant charm. It is a true sanctuary for those seeking beauty and peace simultaneously. Have you visited this unique site before? Share your feelings, what captivated you most, and your impressions of this historical masterpiece. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and don't forget to like and share if this resonated with you.